Meaning of Edward Jenner.
Edward Jenner.
Edward Jenner.
Edward Jenner.
Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner was an English physician and scientist who was credited with developing the smallpox vaccine. In 1796, Jenner conducted an experiment on James Phipps, an 8-year-old boy, where he inoculated Phipps with cowpox virus. After the boy recovered from cowpox, Jenner exposed him to smallpox, but he did not develop the disease. This experiment led to the development of the smallpox vaccine, which helped eradicate the disease worldwide. Jenner's work revolutionized the field of immunology and saved countless lives.